Looking for the new Discord border, you can find it right here. You can find it through here, through this page right here, and then you click on this Nitro, and you can see that there is this collect me avatar decoration, style your avatar look. You have to go through here, go to shop, and here you can find all of the borders that you want to use that you can unlock and purchase. Here you can see that there are a lot of borders, but they're gonna add some more in the future, different kind of borders. I don't know if they're limited edition or they will go away after a few sometimes, but this is how you're able to unlock new different kind of border. Though bear in mind that you need to have a Nitro to use to purchase this border, and you can preview it through here. You can preview the border, how they look on your profile with this button right here.